Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing? Hopefully, you are doing great. It has been a while, but finally, I'm back with another tutorial on how to install soft locks on long natural hair. And I'm going to take you step by step as usual from the beginning to the end. So guys, stay tuned and enjoy the video. If you are my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I do appreciate your love and your support. But if you're new to this family, you're welcome. My name is Glorim Toy, but before you leave, kindly give this video a big thumbs up because if you do so, YouTube will push this video to more people. And don't forget to comment in comment section. Let me know what do you think about this hairstyle. So as you can see, this is my client's natural hair. I'm going ahead and start parting. You may either decide to do bigger or small, but she wants small sections. So I'll be working with small sections. So the first time I make sure I part and then I use all sun gel. This gel have been really nice on my hair or anyone who comes with natural hair. This gel or hair wax works amazing. And after I apply, I go ahead and I redo the section again to get clean and neat section. So after I part the first row, I go ahead and divide each part into two so that I can get 4 even sections. So how I braid, I go ahead and I divide this section into 3. Let me zoom so that you can see clear. If you can divide these 3 sections in even, that will be the best. But if you cannot, then try your best. So after I divide the section into 3, then I start braiding. You may either decide to braid going upward or going downward. Finally, the result is the same, so you don't need to worry or to stress yourself if the way you braid upward or you braid under. Both are okay. One more time, I divide my hair and I start to pick hair from left and then right and then middle. That's how I braid. And I will not braid until the end of this hair because it doesn't need to take that much time. End of the day, I'll be cover her natural hair completely. So I'll braid small section just like this, and then this is how the first row looks like. I'll go real quick because I don't want to make this video become really long. And then I part her hair into 2 sections, I mean ear to ear. So this is the last section in back, then I'll move to front section. So here I'm done with the back. You can see how sections looks like. I really love to work with clean and neat sections, as you can see. So let me go ahead and secure back section so that it will be easy for me to work in front section. And before I work, I make sure I part front side into 2 so that I can get even or to know how many lines I'm going to work with. Okay, I'll be using these soft locks. I got these soft locks from local store supplier. This is 18 inches long and this is how they looks like. I used total of 5 packs and each contain 12 locks. And I also use kinky hair and I use total of 3 packs. Because this is long, I think this is 18 or 32 inches, I forgot. So I'll go ahead and cut into 2 and each piece I will use to wrap in one locs. So here we start to crochet. Make sure you hold or you put your crochet needle almost the end of the hair so that it will be easy for you to pull the hair through. I forgot to mention something when I started. When you're creating the base, make sure you do loose so that it will be easier for you to crochet the hair. You don't need to make too tight, because when you make too tight, then you crochet the hair, then you use the kinky to wrap. Oh my goodness, that will be so painful. So make sure you make loose as possible. And then after I crochet this kinky hair, I keep very small. I just make sure I measure the length equal to her natural hair, and then I start wrapping. When you are wrapping, you don't need to wrap too tight, honey, because whoa, if you wrap too tight, locks is very painful. It's one of very painful hairstyle if you do painful or if you tie too much. So to avoid causing any tension on the scalp, make sure you are doing loose in the beginning so that it will be easy for your client to style her hair. So before you finish to wrap, make sure you secure and then keep wrapping till you finish the hair. Put the locks on your palm and then wrap to make sure you seal in everything. One more time again, I crochet the lock, and then because her natural hair is long, even if her natural hair is short, you have to make sure you pull the hair back so that it will be easier for you to secure, because if you leave them hanging like this, the locks are going to fall. So after that, I make sure it's well secured. I take a piece of kinky hair. You may either use kinky hair or Mali hair, and then you can see I leave very small piece on the other side that I'm not wrapping, and then I start wrapping. Again, when you're wrapping, please be gentle. Don't wrap too tight because you don't want to cause any tension, and you want yourself or your customer to enjoy her hairstyle. So I keep wrapping till the end of this hair, and I find when you are doing locks, and if you wrap but loose, your locks will not look like very sharp standing like yeah, you get what I'm saying. So when you are doing your locks but you relax your hand when you are wrapping, you'll find the result looks very good. So here I almost done. This is the last one. I repeat exactly the same procedures to crochet the hair, and I make sure when I pull her hair, I close the crochet needle and I make sure the crochet needle face down so that will not tuck any of her natural hair when I pull the hair. I mean, the crochet needle will not pull any of excess hair unless the one I lock in the crochet hook. Hopefully this makes sense. And here I'm done. I'm going to put mousse. So I apply some mousse on her hair, and because this hair has curls, so I decide to apply mousse on the curls so that to get more good results. And after that, I go ahead and I use olive oil spray. I also got this from local store supply. I make sure I spray. When you spray this, it will make your scalp shining, and then I apply some or I spray some on her curls as well. Make sure everything is well secured, and boom boom boom, this is the final look for today's video. Can you see how cute she looks? She loves everything about this hairstyle, and I do enjoy when the customer shows satisfied. Hopefully guys, you enjoy watching the whole process on how to install this hairstyle and you love it, and I hope you will try it. Can you see how clean and neat the section are? I love you guys and see you soon. Bye bye.